Out a tweet on the 20th February and say on NBS TV, Andrew Mwenda goes off the matter under discussion, which is the illegal detention of Besigye, and brings up my relationship with President Museveni. If it is really of interest to him, he should wait for my book. It's an interesting story.
Yeah.
What do you think was the intention of this?
I don't know, because he seemed to want very much to remind people that a long time ago I had a relationship with President Museveni, and yeah, I did. but what relevance was it there? It was of no relevance.
What relevance is it now in this case?
None at all. Absolutely none. I mean, President Museveni is somebody I've known since I first became aware of the world. He was in my home, visiting our home when I was maybe 3 years old. I've known him all my life. So why he features there is not relevant, really. But I think that Mwenda just thought that this was an interesting angle, so I also threw it at him and said, okay, if you are interested, just wait for my book.
So if it's not relevant, then all of a sudden, not all of a sudden, I'm sure you've thought about this, then the book.
I think some people think that maybe that the relationship has an element of scandal, and maybe it makes me uneasy. They couldn't be more wrong. They are so wrong. This is a relationship that I had so many years ago, and my views about it is that it was a normal relationship with some challenges, and I left it, but it's nothing to be, it's not interesting for the political discussion. It's just interesting between us. That's all.
But you found it interesting to put it in a book?
No, I mean, in my book, it's not a significant thing in the book, but it's just one of those events that happened in my life, a small event.
Yes, nkwanirizaako nnyo mukwano gwange webale kwekumira ku UG Update CV wenna ali ejo sinza okuba ng'otuwuliriza okola kyamaanyi gw'ayagala otwegattako kirira wansi waliwo ekigambo subscribe ukikoneko ojja kuba ng'osula bulungi nnyo otweyungako gwe omukwano gwange ali eyampuliriza abali mu diaspora mbalamusizzaako nnyo mwebale kubeerako. Bigambo ebyo awo bwennyini we tugenda otutandikira. Leero Byanyima mukyala wa Kanukiriza Besigye bamukozeko interview okusobola okwogera ku life ye, nayogera ku life ye emabega. Agambye ekituufu yali mu mukwano ne Muzeeyi Museveni, era kuva mu buto agambye mwami Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yakyalanga mu maka g'ewaabwe ng'akyali wa myaka 3 ng'amulambulako alabe oba atuuse. Agamba nti newankubadde ekyo kyaliwo ekyo kiri just personal life, naye si kyekintu kyalinamu interest ennyo, newankubadde agenda maaso n'okuba ng'akiwandiikako. Kati abangi mbadde muva nga mugamba terubanga olutalo lwa Kanukiriza Besigye ne mwami Yoweri Kaguta Museveni lwekuusa ku mukyala gwe baayagalako omu Byanyima. Ekyo nja baddamu nti nange siina ansa. Tetumanyi na nsonga lwaki Besigye saa zino akyatwayingibwa mu kkooti. Golowooza masekatu ga bano waliwo obujja. Olowooza ki ekigenda mu maaso? Ye lwaki olowooza story eno yandibadde ejja mu biseera bino? Kwanirizaako mu comment section